Hello everyone, let's make some beef short ribs and it's going to be a nice one. Over here I have some short ribs which are fresh. I am going to be adding in some black pepper to season my short ribs and season with some salt. Mix until all the short ribs are coated with the black pepper and salt. I am going to be placing my short ribs in my pot and sear my ribs. So I'm not going to be overcrowding. I'm going to be frying in batches. Once I have some very nice golden brown color, my short ribs are well seared. I'm going to transfer to a plate. That is 1 large onion together with some garlic and ginger. Stir in the garlic and ginger and let the onions together with the garlic cook until soft. Cooking with the same pot or pan that you use to sear the short ribs is so good because the fond in the bottom of the pan or pot is going to have a lot of flavor from searing our beef. So that is going to add even more flavor to our short ribs. Next, I'm going to be adding in some carrots, tomatoes, stir in. Add in some bay leaves, and then I'm going to add in some beef stock. Stir in. Add back my short ribs. Lastly, add in some fresh thyme. Also, don't forget to check the seasoning. If need be, you can add a little bit of salt, just in case the short ribs are not well seasoned. I'm going to let my short ribs cook for around 1 to 2 hours, and the meat is going to be very good and very delicious. So take your time and make these amazing short ribs. This is after 2 straight hours of boiling my short ribs, and it has been just worth it because the short ribs are falling off the bone. The meat is tender and so good. Now I'm going to turn off the heat and then I'm going to serve myself some short ribs just to show you how delicious my short ribs look. Just look at that. The meat is just falling off the bone and it's super soft. When making the beef short ribs, make sure to take your time when simmering the short ribs because you're going to get a very good meat that is well seasoned and the flavor is going to sink into the short ribs, giving you an amazing outcome. So I'm going to be enjoying mine with some ugali, and also you can enjoy with whatever side dish you want, whether it's mashed potatoes or rice, and it's still going to be awesome. So I hope you'll be trying out this recipe because it's going to give you a very awesome beef short rib.